In this video, I'll show you how to move channels and categories in Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, for you to move channels, right, you can see right here in this my Discord server, there are lots of channels right here. So I'm gonna place all these channels in the right category it's meant to be, right? So you can see important is this rules and regulation is under the importance category. So I'm gonna do this for the same. I'm gonna let's click my mouse, hold it right. I'll put it under here. You can see I just added the welcome channel under this importance category. I'm going to left click my mouse, hold it firmly, adjust it down, leave it here. I'll do the same, right? So we can do the same for the category, right? Just left click your mouse, hold it, adjust it firmly. You're going to place it whatever place you want to place it, right? So this is basically how you can move channels and categories here on Discord. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next